Hello everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our horsehead keychain. I decided to come back into the grinder and disc grinder and get some more of this bulk material away before we actually get to the hand filing. Alright, it's getting there. I think I'm going to cut this out. I'm going to move over back to the vise and use the saw. So let me move you over there. Back to our hacksaw. This is just 2 blocks of wood so we don't make any dents into this with the steel. So let's see if we can get that piece out. It's going to be a little tricky because it's on an angle, but let's see what we can do. Alright, part of my arm there. We should be able to pull this off. There you go. Alright, shaping up nicely. We'll get over to the grinder, just smooth this up a little bit more. We'll redraw our outline and we'll start doing some hand filing. Alright, we're back at our grinder here. Alright, that's all I was going to do there. I just wanted to get that rough edge off. And pretty much the rest we should be able to do by hand with a nice hand file. Except for drilling the hole, which we'll do on the drill press. Alright, let's get this cleaned up and the outline put back on, and we'll continue on. Alright, get our outline back on here. Getting very close. Alright, we'll get this set up into the hobby vise and we'll start doing some hand filing. Alright, so we got our little hobby vise set up. This just uses a suction. I have a thick piece of aluminum down clamped to the table. And the cool thing about this vise is you got a little knurled nut here that you could turn this whatever direction you want. It's really cool. It wasn't that expensive. I picked this up at Harbor Freight. Love going there. So let's start doing some hand filing. Alright, it's getting there, slowly but surely. Okay, I like that. I like this a little bit thicker there. So we could ignore the lines now and just start to refine these edges, smooth them over. I think I'm going to go grab the Dremel tool with a sanding disc. Could probably make quick work of these edges. I'll be right back. Alright, we got a little rotary tool with a sanding drum on it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to draw on the mouth, the eye, the nose, and parts of the mane, and we'll try to figure out a way to get them imprinted in there. Okay, so let's figure out where we want this stuff to go. Mouth, eye, nostril, and some mane. I think that looks good. So what I did was, I have a couple items here, a couple nail punches. This is a screwdriver bit that I just ground the end a little bit sharper than it was, and I have here an eye punch that I made, and you probably have seen the video before I put out this video on how to make this eye punch. Hopefully this works out. So let's get at it. That's it. Left a nice impression. We'll give it another shot. I'll clean off the marker and you'll be able to see that better. Alright, we got our little eye punch. Let's see how this works out. Hopefully this works out good. Oh yeah, I like that. Like I said, the marker is distracting from what it actually looks like, so let's get our main stuff going. I think that's good. I like it. Alright, let's try to do the same thing on the other side. Let's see where we got our nose and our eye so we can kind of get them in the same place. And that's about that distance down. It doesn't have to be exact. So the next thing I'm going to do is drill this hole. I don't think you need to see me drill a hole, but we'll just drill a hole right here. And clean off these marker spots. and I'll show you the finished product. Alright, so we have our finished brass horsehead keychain. I love the way it came out. The stampings came out really nice. If you can see the eye there, hopefully this shows up because it's a little shiny. But we got it on both sides. Not sure if I could zoom in on this. It starts to get a little out of focus. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, I'll have to look when I'm doing the editing to see if you could actually see all those details. Hopefully you can. And the last thing left to do is put a keyring on it. There you go. All ready for your keys. Make a great gift for somebody. A nice handmade item. Well, there you go. That's how I do stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed this little two-part series on how to make a brass horsehead keychain. Have a great day, everyone.